If somebody were looking to switch banks, I would highly recommend Cogent just for the personal interactions that you have. Has all of the features and services and products that you would need. My name is Jeremy Freeman. I am the president of both Certified Boom Repair and Anchor Machine and Fabricating. To me, business is all about relationships, and I wanted to have a relationship with my banker and my financing and with the team so that we could do other things beyond just do financial transactions. Cogent Bank has moved my business forward through innovative approaches and through personalized service through my dedicated relationship manager.